Dear students, today we are going to start our next theme, an imperial capital, Vijayanagara. Students, firstly we will discuss about the Vijayanagara Empire. Vijayanagara, or the city of victory, was the name and used for both a city and an empire. This empire was founded in the 14th century, and when the kingdom was at its peak, and it was stretched from the river Krishna in the north and extreme south of the peninsula. This kingdom was attacked in 1565 CE and was plundered. Later on, till fell into ruins and was completely destroyed till 17th to 18th century. Even then, it lived in the memories of people living in the region of Krishna Tungabhadra Dua. They remembered it with the names of Hampi. The word Hampi was derived from the names of local mother goddess Pampa Devi. These oral traditions were combined with the archaeological finds, monuments, inscriptions, and other records which helped the scholars to rediscover the lost glory of the Vijayanagara Empire. Numbers of monuments, temples, these are the well-treated sources and the well sources for use Vijayanagara Empire information. क्लियर, ये सारे मॉन्यूमेंट्स हैं, ठीक है, टेम्पल्स हैं, ये उस समय विजयनगर एम्पायर की एक बेहतर आइडेंटिफिकेशन है, जिस टाइम को हम एक पीक टाइम भी मानते हैं 14 to 15 सेंचुरी. और ये जो विजयनगर एम्पायर था ये डिस्ट्रॉय टिल 17 and 18 सेंचुरी में हो गया था. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, तो जो अदर नेम द वर्ड हम्पी वॉज डिराइव फ्रॉम द नेम ऑफ द लोकल mother goddess Pampa Devi. Friend, next term we will discuss name different dynasties which ruled over Vijayanagara. Yes, Vijayanagara empire से related कौन कौन सी फेमस डायनेस्टी थी, हम पहले उनके नाम भी क्लियर करेंगे. फर्स्ट इज संगम डायनेस्टी, सेकेंड इज सोलवा डायनेस्टी, and third is Tulwa dynasty, and the fourth is Arvaido dynasty. Okay, these dynasties related to the Vijayanagara Empire. I repeat again: Sangama dynasty, Solva dynasty, Tulwa dynasty, and Arvaido dynasty. Okay, and the most famous ruler of Vijayanagara was Krishnadev Rai. Clear? Krishnadev Rai, he belonged to the Tulwa dynasty and he was a contemporary of Babur. Krishnadev Rai ruled from 1509 to 1529 CE. He had control both Gulbarga and Bidar. Okay, and next is temple associated with the Vijayanagara kingdom could be seen in the Vijayanagara city, Kanchipuram, Belur, and Srirangpatnam. Clear? And Hampi was the other name for Vijayanagara. This name was derived from the local mother goddess named Pampati. Okay, the ruins of Hampi were discovered in 1800 CE by colonial Colin Maxwell, an engineer and antiquarian. In fact, Colin was an employee of the English East India Company. Next important term related to Vijayanagara Empire is the initial history of Vijayanagara Empire. Yes, it has been considered that Vijayanagara Empire was founded by two brothers, Harihara and Bukka. A number of people speaking different language and following different religion, tradition resided in the fluctuating frontier of their empire. Rulers of Vijayanagara completed with the Sultans of Deccan Gajapati rulers of Orissa and others their northern foreigner. Actually, they wanted to keep control on the fertile river valleys and resources generated by lucrative overseas trade. Vijayanagara rulers worked certain concept and building and method with the that develop further. मतलब अपने आप को विजयनगर एम्पायर के जितने भी रूलर से डेवलप करने के लिए अदर एरिया से प्रॉपर ट्रेड अच्छे से सक्सेसफुली यूज़ करने के लिए लिंक क्लियर प्रॉपरली इन्वॉल्व होते थे. मतलब सब में इंट्रैक्शन आसपास के एरिया से उनका अच्छा कॉन्टेक्ट था. सम ऑफ द पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस एम्पायर हैड सीन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ powerful state like Cholas in Tamil Nadu and Hoysal in Karnataka, and these rulers extended patronage to elaborate temples like Bhiradishwar temple at Tanjore and the Chennakeshwa temple at Vellore. The Vijayanagara rulers who called themselves as Rayas built on these traditions and carried this tradition to new heights. And next important term is the four most able ruler of the first dynasty which ruled over Vijayanagara. तो स्टूडेंट फोर मोस्ट एबल रूलर्स ऑफ फर्स्ट डायनेस्टी संगमा डायनेस्टी विच रूल्ड ओवर विजयनगरा वर बुक्का हरिहरा सेकेंड, देवराया एंड देवराया सेकेंड. Okay, and so you know that the most famous ruler of Vijayanagara was Krishnadevaraya. Okay, and the time period is Krishnadevaraya was 1509 to 1529 CE. Clear? Yes.